Let's see how it looks when a student completes each of our assignments. I'll click into our first assignment, Lesson 1, GitHub repository. We can see here that none of our students have connected their GitHub accounts to our student roster, and none of our students have accepted our assignment. We'll copy the assignment URL that we can share with our students. When the student navigates to the assignment URL, their first step is to find their identifier in our student roster. When they accept subsequent assignments, they won't have to do the roster step again. They'll come to this page where they can accept their assignment. Because we're using a template repository, the assignment copies quickly. Once our assignment is copied, we receive a URL made up with the name of the organization where student code lives, the name of the assignment, and our GitHub username. We can also see when our assignment is due. By clicking our URL, we'll be taken to our GitHub repository where we can do our work. In this assignment, we did not add an online IDE for our students. Our students can clone the repository to work on their local machines. Or our students can edit the assignment right here in the GitHub interface. Students can edit the file by clicking the Edit button. Students can make changes to the assignment, write a commit message, and commit their changes. Let's take a look at our second assignment in Microsoft MakeCode Arcade. We can copy the invitation URL and share it with our students. Since our student has previously accepted an assignment in this class, we're brought directly to the Accept This Assignment page. Again, we have a URL that leads to the repository where we'll do our work, and we can see when our assignment is due. For this assignment, our teacher has selected Microsoft MakeCode Arcade as an online IDE. We can click the Work and Make Code button to start our assignment. In MakeCode, we can make any necessary changes and we can push our work back to GitHub by clicking the GitHub button. We can take a look at the diff of our changes and write a commit message. Then we'll push those changes back to GitHub. Back in our GitHub repo, we can see the commits that we've made. Notice that there are a couple of extra commits here for setting up the starter code and the online IDE. Now let's have our student complete the third assignment and REPL it. We'll copy the invite link and share it with our students. Once we've accepted the assignment, we have a Work and REPL it button at the top of our repo. We can complete our work and REPL it, which saves automatically. When we're finished, we can click the version control button on the left sidebar and write a commit message and push our changes back to GitHub. Back in our GitHub repo, we can see our commits have been added.